Welcome to today's episode. How are you doing? It has been a while. So today we're gonna learn how we create this advanced Photoshop glass Morphism. You can see it's different from the normal. Today I want to show you how to create this with your smartphone, your Photopea, your Photopea and your Pixellab. So let's dive in. First of all, let's go to Pixellab. So this is the project I'm working on. So let's go to shapes. Let's give it some radius like 13. Yeah, that's good. So just close all these layers except the shapes. So and good transparent. Yeah, transparent. See. So after you have saved, just go back, delete this. So open everything. Let's open everything. So that's it. So save this. So after we save this, we now go to the second app, which is Photopea. Yeah. So the two things I want us to learn in this tutorial is that number one is how to create the advanced glass Morphism and how to there are some design top you see most of the top designer are using this effect where the background we have some effects. Yeah, I will show you today. Let's go. So this is Photopea. So you can see. So go to open from computer. Yeah, open from computer. Choose files. So go to filter. Filter gallery, lens correction, camera raw, loopify, vanishing point. So just go to filter gallery. So that's how it will show it. Go to menu. For better view, just use your phone like this and go to this area in this place. Just choose glass. We want to work on glass. You see the effect soon. Can you see? Can you see? Now that distortion, that is still, distortion is still, smoothness is 1, scale is 100, texture is tiny less. Go to distortion, drag it. So let's increase it. Can you see it's changing? Focus on this area. So it's too small, it's too much. And it depends on what you want, how you want it to look like, how you want it to be. Is like, yeah, so if you change this smoothness, if you touch that smoothness, that means that you want it to smooth. So doing that, go to texture, choose frosted. Can you see? Now choose OK. So export as JPEG. JPG means JPEG. I see. Yeah, save. Has been saved. So let's go and coming. So from gallery to Pixellab, that white shapes that we saved there. So just go to this place, relative size. Now go to texture, download. I see. So that's it. I see. Reason why you cannot see this value is so reason you can't see this is because of its background. You can see the part, the whitish part, you can see it that it shows well. So it's because of the background, but you can still see the effect of the advanced Photoshop Morphism. That's Morphism. So that's it. So next is inner shadow. Is to add inner shadow. That's inner shadow. So this is it. So just go to, let's choose white. So this is, let's reduce this blur radius. So that's it. Just follow the process and you will gain same results. So can you see? It's so simple and not so you can see it from afar with that inner shadow that we add. So let's go. So I told you that this is one of the work that I'm working on. So I just have to use it as maybe sample. So that's it. So that's the next thing I want to do on it. Yeah, hope you are following. So we have created a shape. You can see I'm showing you how design I'm working on. So this is it. And I told you about that you will still learn how I create background with this raster effect. Let's finish this. So we go to the layers. Let's on that background, let's create the background. That's it. And you will just, after we have closed all the layers, let's save it. So after we have saved it, you just go through the same process, Morphism. So that time we work on the background with the picture, but now it's only the background that we needed. So let's go to Photopea. Yeah, so you need to go to Photopea, www.photopea.com. So that's it. So let's delete that, and after we have deleted that, go to file. So the background that we saved, then so we need to import it from Photopea. Just click on filter, last filter gallery. Yeah, so before the same process we follow when we were doing that glass Morphism. Yeah, so that's the same. Just click on menu, okay, glass. So the process is simple. Yeah, so glass, I see it's like when we are doing that. So sit your phone, you can just or zoom in. So increase the distortion like 10 upward. Yeah, so let's change it like 10 upward or 11. You see, you can just come to Photopea, explore, you see the positive result. So change this, change this to full state. Yeah, full state. You see, and let's go and save it. Our background is ready, so it's ready to be used for design. This will be glad. So go to file, go to export as JPEG. So let's wait, it will show. Yeah, it has shown. So click on save. So just click on it, and that's it. So that's it about that. So let's go to Pixellab. This is Pixellab. So let's go to layer, and we should open the layers we have closed before. So let's open this one. So let's import the one that we just did on Photopea. That's it. Can you see? You see it now. So I will zoom in. Can you see? 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 So that's it. That's it. Hope you have learned something. And if you have learned something, guys, please subscribe, like, follow, share, and comment. Thank you.